I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're opening bin number 19. I can't quite tell what's in here from looking on the outside because there's a bunch of just storage containers. One of them says friendly twirlies. I have no idea what that means, but I'm very curious. And here we have some stick it, peel away. You put it on like whatever focal point you're cutting out with your dies, your metal dies, and then it cuts out the stickiness with it. I think we'll have to test this. This is something I definitely want to look into. And we have some very pretty sparkly paper right here. It wouldn't be a bin without a little bit of Christmas, right? All these bins have a little bit of Christmas in them, including these soap molds or candy molds or some gingerbread men and poinsettias, I believe, and a Stampendous stamp block. So this one has designs on all four sides. They all look like they are leaves and yeah, leaves. Okay, we also have some frog tape. I'm not sure what that is. It sounds like, or it says it's for painting, so it's probably a lot like just masking tape, I think, or painter's tape. I actually don't really know the difference. Oh, and we have some more cutting pads. People have been looking for these, so that is great. These are the Sizzix 2 cutting pads. It doesn't say what model it's for. It looks like it's for the Big Shot. Actually, that's great. Oh, I wonder if these are the twists that are in the other box. Creative Twist Iridescent. Probably something to do with florals. This bin's a little dusty. Here are some natural accents, some more masking tape, and some, I want to call this burlap. It's burlap. Some pink, or not pink, some blue and red burlap, as well as some red tulle. Oh my gosh, this little box with the kitty. It looks like it's made out of handmade paper. Aw, nothing in there, but that is super cute. Nice little black cat. I have a black kitty, a tuxedo kitty actually, named Sheldon. He is very sweet and very naughty all at the same time. There's a couple of gift boxes in here and a metal Christmas tin. Don't think there's anything in there. Nope. Absolutely empty. Here's another little Christmas tin with some little hollies on it. And some more gift boxes. A gift box inside of a gift box. A couple of them in here, as well as some pink quilting thread. Quilting thread? I didn't know there was specific thread for quilting. I guess that makes sense. We also have some Recollections pillow boxes. Very cute. Oh, and the itty bittiest little alphabet stamp set. That's so tiny. What's all of this? Oh, this is just, it looks like a bunch of just clear acetate. There's a whole package here. Actually, there's a ton of this. Oh my gosh, there's even more. We've been finding actually a lot of acetate. This is great for shaker cards and other fun things, so I don't mind finding more of that. Which, by the way, if you're new here, just like I said at the beginning, I recently purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. It is a massive collection, and we've been unbinning each bin one at a time to see what's in here, and we have actually over 50 according to my last count. All right, here we have a True Point standard model pencil pointer. What's a pencil pointer? Is it just a sharpener? Oh, I think it's just a pencil sharpener. That's kind of cool. And if you're new to the series, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply store called Bottom Up the Bin. We're located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and customers trade in supplies they no longer want for store credit. That's how we get all this cool stuff. But this time we made an exception when we bought this collection, just because it was such an extensive collection and a ton of stuff that we can use here. And we also have an eBay shop if you're not local and you want to shop with us. All the information can be found at bottomofthebin.com. All right, this one says Paper Elements. I'm very excited to see what's in here as well. And it has a butterfly box, which I have a very special connection to butterflies. They are a sign from my mom in heaven, so I'm always excited when I see those. We have some little glasses focal points and some pretty floral borders. Oh, some beautiful little shells. Very pretty. I wonder if these were, oh yeah, I think these were custom painted. Like I think she might have actually, oop, I'm dropping them. Painted them herself. You can tell from the back because like the color kind of bleeds through. Those are really cute. Those would be fun for a greeting card for sure. Very pretty. Maybe they're colored pencils. I can't quite tell. There is some, oh my gosh. Nautical stickers and sock monkeys. I have a couple of friends obsessed with sock monkeys, so I might have to save those for some cards. And here are some custom backgrounds as well. I love the color of this one. Ooh, these are really cute. A lot of people have been asking for photos of what the crafter made, and although I don't have any to share with you, we're getting tiny little glimpses of things as we unbin these boxes. I see a little tomato staring up at me. Bob, what are you doing in the paper scrap bin? I don't know how he gets in these things. I have no idea. He's just multiplying. He is magically multiplying overnight. We've got some pretty K & Company Christmas stickers, some little marble paper. Gosh, this bin has so much cute paper crafts. Anything that we're not gonna use, well, anything I guess I'm not gonna use, we're gonna put into little paper scrap packs or ephemera packs or focal point packs. So this stuff actually does sell pretty well here. Ooh, I wonder if that was a stamp with embossing powder. It kind of looks like it was. And, ooh, oh my gosh, postage stamps. Oh, I don't think these are real. I think they're a reproduction, but I can't tell, but they're very, very, very cute. Oop, is that a pumpkin? Oh, pears. Cute pears, I love those. Aw, there's some really pretty bows. I have an obsession with bows. Those are super, super cute. There looks like another maybe background that she made. We have some 4th of July straws, some little gold cups, more focal points. Oh, butterflies. I was wondering if there were actually going to be butterflies in here, and there are. Let's take a better look at these. Aw, those are really pretty. I'm not sure what this is. Got a picture of a rhino on it, and then, I don't know, Chinese maybe, Japanese, I really don't know. There's just a ton more focal points in here. Lots of really cute stuff. I don't think I'm gonna pull it all out, but definitely something fun to kind of go through when I have time. Antique label book. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Ooh, that's great, great ephemera. And some little snowmen. Cute, that was really fun. Fun little box there. Okay, let's see what's in this friendly twirlies. I see some paper, some pretty little paper. It's thin, it's not cardstock. Ooh, I love those rainbow stripes. That's really fun. And these look like little wooden shapes. There's a cute little fishy, very adorable. Aw, and a starfish. I love that. This one looks like it has some Easter and 4th of July. There's little carrots and stars. And these must be the friendly twirlies? I don't know. Are they just like paper strips? Someone's gonna have to let me know. I know you all will know something that I don't. I'm sure they were used to create something, unless they were just scraps that she collected, like scraps. I always have weird, not weird, but like consistent shaped scraps for my greeting cards. That looks like it's just from a belt. When you tend to cut a lot of the same size. Actually, wait, these have little holes poked through them. Hold on. Yeah, it's probably not gonna show on camera. It's very tiny, but there's like a little hole on top and a little hole on the bottom. There's some long ones as well. These aren't for quilling, are they? Maybe. No, I think these are too short for quilling. Okay, and the final one says scrap shapes. This should be fun. Hold on. Aw, little butterfly cutouts. And this one has sea creatures. There's a little whale. This is probably just like a whole bin of focal points. Some pretty flowers, little circles. I'm gonna say a gate or a fence. Very cute. I'm not sure if she bought these or if she cut them out with her metal dies. Or I know there's also like a lot of people trade, like they'll use their metal dies to cut out a bunch of different shapes and just swap with other people. So this is super, super good for like journaling or card making. One looks like it's different colored squares, and of course some Christmas ones. That was a really cute bin for all of my paper scrappers, all my paper crafters and scrapbookers. So make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.